The Sarhali police station in Punjab's Tarn Taran district was reportedly attacked on Saturday night. A rocket propelled grenade is suspected to have been fired at the police station near the international border at around 1 am on Saturday. There was no loss of life, and the building largely remained unaffected as the rocket rebounded after hitting the outer pillar of the police station. The attack, though, reportedly damaged the windows of a nearby service centre. This comes after a rocket propelled grenade was fired at the Punjab Police's intelligence headquarters in Mohali on May 9th, triggering a blast at the site. Sarhali is the native place of a notorious gangster Harvinder Singh, who was suspected of having died in Pakistan a few days back. According to the sources, the rocket was powerful but could not damage the station as it rebounded. Earlier this week, the special cell of the Delhi police arrested the alleged mastermind Lakhbir Singh Landa in connection with the RPG attack. The police said the gangster Landa was also a resident of Tarn Taran district and shifted to Canada in 2017. Only 2 days ago, the Punjab police had been put on high alert after intelligence of a possible terror attack had emerged. According to the reports, the police stations in Punjab and other government buildings have been advised to be put on high alert and security had been beefed up. Essentially, the intelligence alert had put police stations and government buildings as possible targets of the terror attack. In another incident reported along the international border, Border Security Force troops and the Pakistan Rangers exchanged fire on Friday along the Anupgarh sector of the India-Pakistan international border in Rajasthan, the official said. No casualties were reported on the Indian side, even as the BSF has decided to lodge a protest with their Pakistani counterparts and have sought a flag meeting on Saturday, a BSF spokesperson said. According to the reports, the Pak Rangers shot first as they fired 6 to 7 rounds at around 2 pm on BSF troops who were present ahead of the border fence as part of a Kisan Guard deployment meant to escort and protect 5 local farmers working in their farms. In retaliation, the BSF Kisan Guard party fired about 18 rounds on the Pak Rangers. No injury or casualty to the BSF or the farmers has been reported in the incident that took place along the Anupgarh sector in Sri Ganganagar district of the state. It is very rare that troops exchange fire along the Thar Desert comprising Rajasthan front of the IB that also runs along Gujarat, Punjab and Jammu, a senior officer said. India and Pakistan pledged in February 2021 to exercise complete ceasefire on this front. There have been, however, 1 or 2 incidents of violation of this deal since then.